Hello students. So today's fourth video we will be drawing a second line which will be parallel to the first line AB we have drawn earlier. Remember, we have drawn AB, the first line. Now we will draw another line which will be exactly parallel to the first line AB. Let it be called CD. So for that we have to find 2 points, 2 move points. The first point we have taken C. So what is C? 10 units from the top left corner, and from the top left corner 40 units down. So we are getting C. So we have to keep the first coordinate 10 because we are drawing a parallel line to AB. So exactly at the same distance from where A starts, from the left side of the monitors, equal distance. This should be 40. Oh, sorry, 10. This should be 10. This one also 10. This one also 10. And then we can move down 40, 50 or 60, whatever you want. So I have done up to 40. So now we will find the second point of the second line, that is D. And remember, when you find the second point, this distance from A to the C, this distance, this gap, you have to count how much is the gap. This is 20 to 30, 10 units, and 30 to 40, another 10. So total the gap is 20 units. So all throughout you have to keep the gap 20 units until the last point. So always remember to keep the same gap between the two lines when you draw a parallel line. So for the second step, so we have found out the second point of the second line D. Okay, what is the D coordinate? It should be equal to 200 exactly of B, the first coordinate. So distance 200 on the horizontal line, 200. So it will match with B. B is up to 200. Then you go down on the vertical. How much down you'll go? Whether you'll go up to here or here, how much? Whether you'll go to 100. If you go to 100, it will join B. If you go to 110, the distance will be from B to the next point, D, will be 10 units. But remember what I told? A and C, the distance is 20 units. From 20 to 40, if you calculate the difference, 40 minus 20 is 20 units. So here also from 100 you have to go 120. Then only the difference between 120 and 100 is 20 units. So the last 2 points difference 20 units. The first 2 point difference 20 units. Then only the line will be parallel to AB. Okay. So we find out up to 120. This is 120. You see here 120. So the second coordinate of D is 120. After that, we will join the 2 points C and D. So C to D. So after joining, it will look like this. Okay. So C is 10, 40, D is 200, 120. First coordinate of B is same, 200, 200. First coordinate of A and C, both are same, 10 and 10. And the gap between these two is same, 20 units. 120 minus 100 is 20, and 40 minus 10, 40 minus 20 is also 20. So after joining, we get a parallel line. So this one we will draw in the QBasic program. So for that, we will just add another statement here. Let us add the second line statement. So coordinate of the second line, that is C, is what? 10 and 40. So we will give 10 and 40. 10, comma 40. Then we move to the D coordinate. This is 200 and 120. If you want to give a color, you can give a color. So you have to save the file and click the start button or F5 on the keyboard. So it is creating the file. So the program has been started. So as you can see, this was the first line AB, second line CD. Okay. So if you compare with the figure, look, same. The output is same. Okay. I have just given the coordinates by looking on my paperwork. Okay. So before you start writing the code, you should do the paperwork, and then only you will write the code. Then you can get the output exactly what you want. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to draw a parallel line. You can try some more lines on your own. Okay, of course you have to do on paper. So in your copy you try to do some more parallel lines, maybe straight, not slanted, but straight parallel. Try to make straight parallel. Okay, so till now, till then, see you. Thank you, everybody.